Hey, Chris. How's it going?
Hi, Sarah. I'm doing great. Just got back from a weekend camping trip.
That sounds awesome. Where did you go camping?
We camped near a beautiful lake in the mountains. It was breathtaking.
Any memorable experiences or wildlife sightings?
Well, we saw a family of deer up close. It was magical.
I'm jealous. What's your next adventure?
Thinking about a hiking trip next. How about you?
I'd love to join. I'm planning a hike too.
What's up, Lisa?
Hey, Mark. Not much, just enjoying the sunshine. How about you?
Same here. I took a bike ride this morning. It's been a fantastic day.
Nice. Where did you bike to?
I explored a new trail along the river. It was so peaceful.
That sounds lovely. Have you discovered any great new spots?
Yes, there's a hidden park with a stunning view. You should check it out.
I definitely will. What else is new in your world?
Well, I'm considering taking up kayaking.
How are you today, Ben?
Hi, Olivia. I'm doing well. Just finished a delicious brunch with my friends.
Yum! Where did you go for brunch?
We tried a new café downtown. The food was amazing.
That sounds delightful. What did you have?
I had their special omelette, and it was a taste sensation.
I should visit that place soon. How's your social life these days?
It's pretty good. I'm planning a game night with friends this weekend.
Game nights are always a blast. Can I join?
Absolutely. The more, the merrier. How's everything, Emily?
Mike, everything's going smoothly. I'm loving my new apartment.
That's fantastic. Where's your new place located?
It's in the heart of the city, close to all the action.
Sounds convenient. Did you decorate it to your taste?
I did. I added some cozy touches and artwork. It's my dream space.
I'd love to see it sometime. Any housewarming party plans?
I'm thinking of having a small gathering next weekend. You're invited.
Good to see you, Ava.
Chris, it's always nice to see you. How have you been?
I've been well, Ava. Just started a new photography project.
That's exciting. What's the theme of your project?
I'm focusing on capturing the beauty of everyday life and moments.
That sounds wonderful. How do you approach your subjects?
I try to blend in and be unobtrusive so I can catch candid shots.
I'd love to see some of your work. Do you have a gallery?
Not yet, but I'm working on it. You'll be the first to know. How's your day going, Mia?
Tom, it's been a fantastic day. I got a surprise promotion.
Wow, that's amazing. Congratulations, Mia.
Thanks, Tom. It was unexpected but a pleasant surprise.
What will your new role involve?
I'll be leading a team, and it's a great opportunity for growth.
I'm sure you'll excel. What's the first thing you plan to do as a team leader?
I want to foster a collaborative and innovative work environment.
What's going on, Sophia?
Aiden, not much. Just planning a surprise birthday party for my sister.
That's sweet. How are you keeping it a secret?
It's challenging, but I've enlisted the help of her best friend.
That should make it fun. What's the theme of the party?
We're going with a retro 80s theme, her favorite decade.
That sounds like a blast. Are you making any costumes?
We're all dressing up. It's going to be a nostalgic riot.
Long time no see, Emma.
James. I know, it's been a while. I've been working on a new novel.
That's impressive, Emma. What's your novel about?
It's a mystery thriller set in a small coastal town. Lots of twists and turns.
I love a good mystery. Are you almost finished?
Almost. Just a few more chapters to go. It's been a labor of love.
I can't wait to read it. Do you have a favorite character?
The detective, for sure. He's complex and flawed, but determined.
How's it going, Sarah?
Hey, Ben. How's everything? I just adopted a dog.
That's wonderful, Sarah. What's your new furry friend's name?
We named him Max. He's a ball of energy and always up for an adventure.
I'm sure Max will keep you on your toes. Any fun stories to share?
Oh, plenty. He's a character, that's for sure.
I really like Max. Maybe we can go for a dog walk together.